he looks sort of mad. Actually, he's quite happy with his cute little snowplow attachment. Control level. To raise and lower the bucket. Springs to hold her left, right, or center. Reason I did that was so that I hit a rock, a stump, or something in under the leaves, it doesn't shock the whole tractor and the whole system. It does spring back, but the springs are quite sturdy. It has a fair bit of lift. I wish I could have more because I understand that is a problem that they have. My little steering helper, roller skate wheel, some odd bracket, and some hose clamps. It took a few minutes and bam, this thing steers so easy. 6 speeds. My lift system. Unhook here. I'm not sitting on the tractor, so it's weird. And we can control our chute via a little pulley. So I can throw grass further if I want it not to be bunching up when I'm mowing. 42-inch deck. Craftsman seat. Came off more that was donated. 75 pounds of weight to make ATV tires. Grab some dirt, brother. Well, let's see what's over here. The headlights, of course, the lights, they'll turn and stay where you put them. So you can always be looking at your load. Pivot point. These are just pipes that fit in other pipes and welded up. I made bracket just from an old piece of steel in the padding to keep it from scratching my really high gloss. Anyway, these springs came off of the old style attic stairs. They've got quite a bit of tension to them, and they've got quite a bit of reach. Charging the battery. And my great little drink holder, which has always been a boon. And that's my tractor. Mad Ollie.